Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make wax embeds and how to pipe whipped wax onto your candles. These can be used to elevate your candles and create interest. In this video, I will show you how to make a birthday cake candle. To begin, you're going to need a silicone mold. In the video, I am using a gummy bear mold, a double boiler, a piping bag and tip, in this video, I used colored wax shavings as sprinkles, a fragrance oil. I am using Funfetti from Village Craft Candle, and dye for the gummy bears. To begin, you will add 2 drops of dye to the already melted wax and stir it thoroughly. Slowly pour the wax into your mold. Set it aside until the wax hardens. Now that your wax embeds have hardened, remove them from the mold, and remember, though they look delicious, these wax embeds are not edible. Next, you'll need to check on your whipped wax. In the video, I melted wax and let it sit until it was almost dry. Then I would whisk it periodically to give the whipped effect. Here you can see the wax is still too runny, so I let it sit a little longer while still whisking. While we wait, I prepared my piping bag. I folded it over a cup to hold it in place. The whipped wax is almost ready. The thicker the better, so it will keep its form. Now you'll pipe your wax onto the candle as though you're icing a cake. I'm adding sprinkles and wax-embedded gummy bears as decoration. You're then going to set your candle aside and let it cure completely. Once it's cured, you'll see the piped wax maintains its form and looks like icing on a cake. I also created some other examples using coffee bean silicone molds, making the candle look like coffee, and hot chocolate using a chocolate crumble on top. Finally, I made cupcakes using a silicone cupcake mold. When burning these candles, be sure to place them on a plate to catch melted wax, as these are not made in a vessel. If you have any questions, comment on any of our videos or blog posts and we'll guide you further. And don't forget to follow us on our socials. Thanks for watching!